Ever felt like you're juggling a million financial balls, trying to keep track of every transaction, every customer, everything? And you're staring at your QuickBooks Online screen, wondering, am I doing this right? Am I missing something? How many people can even use this thing? You're not alone. I've been there. We've all been there. Trying to wrangle the chaos of small business finances can feel like trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. Let's be real. Managing your business finances isn't just about making sure the numbers add up. It's about control, clarity, and peace of mind. It's about knowing exactly where your money is going, who owes you what, and whether you're actually making a profit. And when you're dealing with a growing team or even just a few collaborators, that peace of mind hinges on knowing who has access to your financial data and how you manage those access points. Imagine this: you're a small business owner, maybe running a bustling online store or a local service-based company. You've got a couple of employees, maybe a bookkeeper, and you're thinking of bringing on a consultant. You're using QuickBooks Online because, well, it's QuickBooks. Everyone recommends it. But then the questions start swirling. Can everyone log in? Do they all see the same things? How do you keep things secure? How many accounts can you even have? This isn't just about technical specifications. It's about trust. It's about ensuring that your financial data is in the right hands, and only the right hands. Because, let's face it, your financial data is the lifeblood of your business. It's the story of your hard work, your growth, and your future. So, let's cut to the chase. You want to know how many accounts QuickBooks Online allows, right? You want to know how many people can dive into your financial data without causing a digital pileup. And more importantly, you want to know how to manage it all effectively. Well, the answer, like most things in the business world, isn't a simple number. It depends. It depends on which QuickBooks Online plan you're using. You see, QuickBooks Online offers different subscription levels, each tailored to the needs of different business sizes and complexities. Let's break it down. First, we have QuickBooks Online Simple Start. This is the entry-level plan, perfect for sole proprietors or very small businesses. Now, Simple Start is designed for one user. That's right, just you. So, if you're flying solo, this might be all you need. But if you're thinking about adding even one other person, you'll need to upgrade. Next up, we have QuickBooks Online Essentials. This plan allows for 3 users. So, if you've got a small team, maybe a couple of employees or a bookkeeper, Essentials is a good fit. You can delegate tasks, manage access, and keep everyone on the same page. Then there's QuickBooks Online Plus. This plan takes things up a notch, allowing for 5 users. This is ideal for growing businesses with more complex needs. You can manage more users, track inventory, and get more detailed reporting. And finally, for those with even more complex needs, there's QuickBooks Online Advanced. This plan allows for 25 users. This is the big leagues, designed for businesses with larger teams, more extensive workflows, and advanced reporting requirements. Now, it's important to remember that these user limits apply to full access users. These are the people who can log in, make changes, and see your financial data. But QuickBooks Online also allows you to invite your accountant, regardless of your plan. This is a separate access point that lets your accountant review your books and provide expert advice without counting against your user limit. But here's the thing, it's not just about the number of users. It's about how you manage those users. You need to understand the different user roles and permissions, because giving everyone full access is like giving everyone a key to the vault. It's a recipe for disaster. QuickBooks Online offers granular control over user permissions. You can assign different roles, such as Company Administrator. This is the top dog with full access to everything. They can manage users, change settings, and see all financial data. Standard User. This role allows users to perform specific tasks, such as creating invoices, entering bills, or running reports, based on the permissions you grant them. Reports Only User. This role allows users to view reports but not make any changes. Time Tracking Only User. As the name implies, this role allows users to track their time but not access any financial data. By carefully assigning roles and permissions, you can ensure that everyone has the access they need, without compromising the security of your financial data. Now, let's talk about the practical side of managing these users. It's not just about adding them. It's about maintaining control. First, you need to have a clear understanding of who needs access to what. Don't just give everyone full access because it's easier. Take the time to map out your workflows and assign roles accordingly. Second, regularly review your user list. People leave, roles change, and permissions need to be updated. Make it a habit to audit your user list at least quarterly. Third, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This is basic security hygiene, but it's essential for protecting your financial data. Fourth, educate your users. Make sure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities and how to use QuickBooks Online safely and effectively. And fifth, take advantage of the audit trail. QuickBooks Online tracks every change made to your data, so you can see who did what and when. This can be invaluable for troubleshooting and maintaining accountability. Now, let's address the question of adding an accountant. As mentioned, they do not count against your user limits. You can invite your accountant to access your QuickBooks Online account, giving them the ability to review your books, make adjustments, and provide expert advice. This is a game changer for many small businesses, as it allows you to get professional help without adding another full-access user. One common question that pops up is, can I have multiple companies under one QuickBooks Online account? The answer is no. Each company file requires its own subscription. This helps keep data separated and organized, which is crucial for accurate reporting and financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.